This is the most satisfying sound $80 can buy. This is the Epronmaker EA75. It's a 75% mechanical keyboard with 81 keys. It has an intriguing look, a grayscale keycap set, V-Scoot multifunctional node, and then the RGB lightning literally takes your breath away. It's a really comfortable, dual adjustable feet, 3-mode connection, and a 4000 mAh battery. But the real surprise comes when you start typing. The EA75 is auto-swappable. You can choose the switches you prefer, but the pre-installed Leopold Reaper switches are already a marvel. Prelude, smooth, precise, with a deep and velvety sound. Inside, the gasket mounting system is simply impeccable. It absorbs every keystroke with buttery softness thanks to the 5 layers of foam and the silicone. Each key produces a full talk with a creamy nuance. It sounds better than my $150 keyboard. Do you know a better keyboard at $80? Write it in the comments.